Here's a 2018 Dodge Charger. It's a salute to its muscle car past while embracing today. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Pentastar engine, gas pressurized shocks, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, voice activation, front heated sport seats, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and ParkSense Park Assist. Edmunds.com notes the Charger proves that driving a large sedan doesn't have to be boring. The steering feels sporty and precise, and while the ride quality is supple and forgiving on bad surfaces, this big car offers impressive control and balance when you hustle it around tight turns. Every Dodge delivers a signature thrill. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.